In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Typeform in just 5 minutes. First, let's talk about why someone might want to unsubscribe or cancel their Typeform subscription. Maybe you've completed the project you were working on, perhaps you're shifting to a different platform, or you simply don't need the service anymore. Whatever your reason, the process is simple and straightforward, and we're going to walk through it together, step by step. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Typeform website. This is where everything starts. Open up your preferred web browser, type in Typeform's URL, and press enter. You'll be greeted with the home page of Typeform, which is the first step towards managing your subscription. Next, you will need to log in to your account. Look for the login button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the home page. Clicking on it will initiate the login process. For many users, the most convenient way to log in is by using the Continue with Google option. This is particularly handy if your Typeform account is associated with your Google account, making the login process seamless. Selecting this option will prompt you to choose the Google account you wish to use, and upon verification, you'll have access to your Typeform dashboard. Now, logging in could take a couple of minutes, especially if it's been a while since you last accessed your account, or if you have a slower internet connection. It's important to be patient. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to your main Typeform dashboard. From here, you'll need to access your profile settings. To do this, look for your profile icon or name, typically located in the top left corner of the dashboard. Your Typeform workspace is personalized, and this section allows you to manage different aspects of your account, including subscription details. Once you've clicked on your profile, look for the plan and billing option. This might require scrolling down or navigating through a few options depending on how your dashboard is set up. The plan and billing section is where all your subscription details are housed, making it the heart of managing your Typeform subscription. Upon selecting plan and billing, you're going to find various details related to your current subscription, including the type of plan you're on, your billing cycle, and other relevant details. Within this area, search for the cancel link. This is your key to unsubscribing from Typeform. Clicking on cancel will initiate the cancellation process. It's essential to follow through with any confirmation prompts or additional steps provided by Typeform to ensure your subscription is fully cancelled. This might involve answering a few questions about why you're leaving or confirming your cancellation via email. Here's an important tip. If you're on a free Typeform account, instead of a cancel option, you might see an upgrade button. This indicates that you're not currently subscribed to a paid plan, and therefore there's nothing to cancel. Free accounts can simply stop using the service without any need to unsubscribe formally. Keep in mind that cancelling your subscription may affect any live forms or data you have with Typeform. Consider exporting your data or informing any team members of the change to ensure a smooth transition away from the platform. Throughout this process, if you encounter any trouble or have questions, Typeform's support team is available to assist. They can provide detailed guidance and help troubleshoot any issues you might encounter during the cancellation process. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of unsubscribing from Typeform. Whether you're downsizing, shifting focus, or simply taking a break, knowing how to manage your subscriptions empowers you to maintain control over your digital tools and services. Remember, it is always a good practice to review your subscriptions regularly and assess which services you truly need. This not only helps declutter your digital life, but can also lead to significant savings over time. That's all for today's tutorial. Whether you're streamlining your tools or simply moving on, we hope this guide has made the process clear and manageable. Thank you for taking the time to follow along, and here's to your next adventure, whatever it may be.